all know that springtime in Kansas means the possibility for severe weather, but so far this year, Kansas has been lacking tornadoes, hail, or really any severe weather at all. In fact, nationwide, about 20 tornadoes have been reported. That's 80 fewer than normal. KAKE's Brian Ramsdale has the details on our lack of severe weather.
The radar here at the National Weather Service is always looking out at the sky, looking for severe weather. So far in the month of March, we haven't had any severe weather, not even a tornado or a thunderstorm watch. In Kansas, we know weather.
Oh no! Oh no! Semi got rolled.
You could hear the top half of our house start tearing up.
It was just quiet, and all of a sudden, poof, house just started flying apart in pieces.
Kansans are used to severe weather, but so far this year, it has been different.
Definitely been a slow year, and not just for Kansas, but across the entire country. And through the entire month of March, we have yet to issue any watches at all, whether it be tornado watches or thunderstorm watches. So it is rare. We are below normal as far as the amount of severe weather across the entire country.
Lawson pulled data back to 2003 and says that so far this year, we have had the least severe weather.
This is hands down the quietest year we've had.
So what does that mean for you?
I'm worried about people just becoming lax. They're out of practice for what to do in case of a severe weather event, and they're kind of thinking maybe this is the new normal, and that's not necessarily the case.
Just because a weather season is slow doesn't mean it cannot be dangerous.
It's one large outbreak or event to change the perception.
Brian Ramsdale, KAKE News.
And Jay, you probably know this, but there have only been 4 tornado watches issued across the nation so far this year.
Oh no, it's been incredibly quiet. You know, people ask me all the time, will this be a bad season? You can have several tornadoes that are in wheat fields and don't destroy any property, or you can have one tornado that goes through a populated
All it
area.
takes is
and so
one.
it would be, it would be a lax year, but it would still be devastating. And don't forget, NOAA Weather Radio Saves Lives. I've got a programming event coming up at the Dillons next Tuesday from 3 to 7 at 37th and Woodlawn.
All right.